YouTube, this is Kazarim Sexel, and today we are gonna learn how to save our color swatches. Help! Let's say I have a finished design and now I wanna color it with the most recent, famous, trendy, whatever you wanna say, or call it the most trendy colors there is. And in order to do so, and instead of searching for them online, Adobe Illustrator provides the ability to find them within the interface itself. Let's head to color swatches, and if you can't find it, all you have to do is go to window, then click on swatches. Now if we look over here, this is called the color themes, and if we go ahead and click it, then go to explore, we will find the most recent colors there are. As you can see, it's listed according to most popular, and these are the most trendy colors in 2020. If you scroll down, you can browse over hundreds of them, and to use them you can click right here, then add to swatches, and you can notice that it's added right here. We're gonna go ahead and add a couple of them. Now, if we're done with this, close. Now you have to note a thing. If we go ahead and create a new file, we're gonna notice that the colors we added to swatches are not displayed here. And in order to have them displayed or saved to our project, click on here, then click on Save Swatches Library as ASE or AI. Not a problem. Let's save them, and save them as whatever you want. Then click on Save. Now if we head to our new file, if we want to load the ones I saved, all we have to do is click right here, then open Swatch Library, and you will find the ones you saved under user defined, then this one, test. Now if we expand this one, we find them right here. If we close Illustrator and reopen it, you will find them again. It's saved forever, unless you want to delete them. That's it. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.